Hello everyone. Welcome back. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and we are going to continue on to project number 4. That's right. We have used the Ciao Bella 8x8 pad, one single pad, nothing else, to create 4 distinct different projects. We've done the faux stained glass sun catchers. We've done the full journal. Yes, we made an actual journal with pages and all, decorations and pockets, and flips and all kinds of stuff. Then we did the shadow box with the Nutcracker Clara scene, the library scene, and now, or living room scene. And now we're going to do our 4th project, which is also going to be a shadow box, using these houses. So from Go, I saw these houses and I loved them. And at first I thought, this would make a great album, right? Because the shape is just so cool to make an album with the shape. But then I thought, I just love backdrops and all kinds of stuff. So I figured we're going to use it. I have no plan yet. I don't know what I'm doing. So feel free to follow along with me and we'll do it together to use these to create some kind of a back scene, I think, right? A town scene. I think that's going to be so stinking cute. And then we can do some snow here and give it some texture. And I think we're going to try and mimic that night sky. So I have pulled some paint, some colors like blue aviation, anthracite, lavender, and black. And I'm thinking somehow we're going to try and create some kind of a blend for that night sky that is part of that backdrop. So something along those lines, and then maybe some splatters for snow. I have no idea, guys. I'll be honest with you. And then we can do something, maybe some texture. I have some great stencils. Actually, check out this last one I just acquired. So I lucked out. Well, I shouldn't say it that way, but unfortunately, in the shipping process, this stencil has seen better days. This would not be too bad of a thing, but see here where it's creased. Obviously we can't sell that. So I guess I'll just have to keep it. Oh, woe is me, the suffering. This one's called Secret Garden. And I mean, it's still perfectly usable, I mean, that's not, but we can't sell it that way. So I'll just end up keeping it and adding to my stash. So I've got this gorgeous stencil right here. Not what I think I'm going to use for this, but I just wanted to show you that that is available in store because it just restocked, by the way. And you have to check out our full Ciao Bella cat selection because it is truly awesome. From the paper pads to the stencils to you name it, okay? Stamps, yeah, just amazing, gorgeous rice papers. Oh, you know what? I didn't go look in the rice paper section to see if there's a rice paper that coordinates with this, because then we could just use a rice paper for that. Wouldn't that be awesome? That would be a really excellent situation, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. So I'm going to go look. And yeah, that just, see, this is why I like kind of winging it, because, you just never know what's going to happen. I'm going to go look through the rice papers. If I have one, guess what? This is going to be a 5-minute project, which is awesome this time of year because we're all so busy. And if not, it's no biggie. I'll just use some paints and create our own mix. So just know that if you do not have a rice paper, you can use your paints to do that. And then I think I'm just going to add some cool texture with a stencil to the sides here. And then maybe put one of our little handles up here. And, I don't know, just make it look super cute. I think it's just going to be gorgeous to display during the holidays. So, you guys ready? Let's do this. This is going to be like no more than half an hour project. So a really fun one to bang out during these weeks. Here we go. So I'm sitting here painting, and of course I'm only going to paint the top half. The outside I do have to do all the sides, but on the inside we only have to do, about halfway down, maybe just about, because we're only going to see so much of it, right? So maybe we'll do, yeah, about half or maybe 3/4 of the way. But then I realized that, of course, this is a natural product. It is wood. So if you get yours, just before you start painting, know this. You want to go all the way around and really examine your corners and see which are the best ones. This one's got a little gap. Could I putty and fill it and all that stuff? I could. But you know what? There's going to be a bottom no matter what. So then I realized here, see, again, it's got a little bit of an opening there. And then I realized that the other sides were better. So I really should have started and painted this side and then left this for the bottom. Anyway, just a tip before you start. And now I'm going to have to paint the whole thing because I've already painted this side. So now I'm just going to continue painting all of this. But just a tip so you don't waste paint. It's not a whole lot, but you might want to look around your box first to make sure which sides are the better ones and leave those for the top and left and right. Okay, seems silly because it's not that much paint, but hey, it can save you 3 minutes worth of work or some of your product. I figure it would be worth mentioning. So might be elementary, might be you might have thought, well, yeah, I do that every time, but you know what, it didn't occur to me. I don't know why. So just make sure you guys check for that before you start your painting. All right, let's continue on.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here. My winter.
Okay, so I've gone back and forth a few layers with my sprays, with my magicals, but I wanted to show you something really amazing that happened. So I was trying to get a darker blue and I decided to use my color sparks from the Crafters Workshop. And something really cool happened. There's got to be some kind of a red or I don't know, um, poker hot red, pink pigment in there because it created this really cool background. And I thought, okay, that is kind of cool. It's almost like that sun setting. And so I love it. I love it. And again, that is part of the play that I'm always telling you guys. Just continue to play with product, going back and forth, trying different things. Mixed media is beautiful because you can just keep layering. And if you don't like something, then you layer some more again and you just keep going and keep going. So all of this back here, it's like a mixture of all of these products. You see that? And it creates that really cool, unpredictable sky. Because let's face it, sky's not one color, it's many colors. So I'm loving it so far. Let's continue to press on, but I wanted to show you, I've used this one for the underwater project that we made. This is cerulean blue. Cerulean blue, yes. And is it? Oh, yeah, it's right here. Um, but I will tell you that that was really an unexpected magical moment. Super cool. So yay for Color Sparks because they totally showed up and did an amazing job. All right, let's press on.
Celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here. My winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Okay, welcome back. I am done. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm done. You know, I always say that with a bit of an ounce of caution because I always feel like then I'm like, oh, but I can add this. See, I just thought of something. I forgot to add the handle. I was going to add a handle at the top or some kind of a knob. So it's not finished. Anyway, it's drying and I can show you most of it now. So you ready? Here we go. How fun is that? So when we left off, we were working on the background. And by the way, I was recording. Well, I thought I was recording when I was doing the stenciling. And guess what? I wasn't. Or, I don't know what happened to the file. Maybe I put it in the wrong drive. I don't know what happened to it. I can't find it. But very easy. After we were done with the painting, then I came back and did some stenciling throughout just to add some fun snowflake kind of a feel. I used like a filigree one here, like a lacy one. Then I use a dotted one back there and a swirl back there. I just thought it looked really cool, like wind billowing kind of thing. Then what else? Then I simply just, I didn't even like, it was an afterthought. So I didn't even like blend it in. I did these are some Tim Holtz pieces. Um, I don't remember what the name of the pack was, but it's really pretty. And I thought it's like a laurel, but I thought it looked like a wreath for Christmas. I don't think it was a Christmas piece, but doesn't it look like a Christmas wreath with a bow on the top? So I put that on there. I did 3 different layers of yeah, of the houses. So this one is up from the back, then this one is next. And so it looks like you can go down the street, see, on either side. And yeah, you can see the Christmas tree in there. Isn't that cute? And then this one is a bit lower, and then this one is the highest. So there's different levels through it. And I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but when you see it in person, you can really see those levels. It's kind of neat. It almost looks like you're kind of tucking in between areas. And then I added, oh, the snow, which is I use the Seth Apter icing texture, bead texture, this one right here. Super fun. I also thought of using, we have a couple of other products that are like snow and ice. So if you want to search for those words, they'll probably come up as well. And that's it. So, I mean, like I said, it's a super quick, half hour, an hour project. The only thing that took, or actually the only thing that I missed to tell you was I did reinforce all of these with cardstock, just to make that more like a chipboard. So it's got more substance to it and it's not kind of like paper flimsy. The thing that took the longest, probably just waiting for drying in between layers or using my heated tool to dry in between layers. But other than that, everything was simple. Just a few products: paint, adhesive foam, the texture, modeling paste, I believe is what did I use? Yeah, I use mixed media modeling paste for the texture here, for the stenciling. Oh, the stencil, and that's it. That's it. Nothing else. Isn't that fun? It's super fun, super quick, perfect for gift giving this time of year or for decorating. Of course, since it's more of a winter scene, you can keep this up all the way to February. And if you want to get really, really creative, we do have fairy lights. And I thought about it. I was like, ooh, but I wanted to kind of just do a quick project. But we could have tucked some fairy lights back there, right? And then maybe have put a hole through the back and ran. Oh, I got some icing here. See, I told you I have to come back and maybe clean some of it up. But you could run the fairy lights and then just have the little, you know, mechanism, the on-off switch, the toggle back here, and then you can kind of light from the bottom up. That would look so pretty. So there's so much more you can do, right? There's so much more that you can do. So at least you have a starting point as far as an idea. And now it's up to you. You can do it the exact same way, of course, using the stencils that you have in your stash. Or, you can kind of use this as a jumping starting point, and you can take it anywhere that you'd like. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the Nutcracker series. Should we call it a series? Right, it's kind of unofficial, but it ended up becoming a series. We hope that you will watch the other videos if you've missed them. Again, this is video number 4. We have completely decimated. It's gone. The whole 8x8 pad, there's nothing left. We used every last page, which is so exciting because I always have like a little bit of scraps or, like little pieces left. I have nothing left. So I am so excited. And then, of course, thanks to Ciao Bella for the gorgeous collection, because this sure was fun. 4 super quick, lightning fast projects, different projects that you can do with your collection. And of course, um, more importantly, stuff that you can just knock out in a matter of minutes, because these are all super quick. So with minimal supplies, right? Just gather your get your 8x8 and you can hop on any of those. Now, as a reminder, make sure that you leave a comment down below. And the reason why is, well, of course, number one, we love to hear your comments, right? We love your feedback. Do you like it? Will you make one? What would you change? Would you change, the colors maybe? Or would you add something different? Do you like the idea? The easy crafts, like super quick 1 hour kind of crafting videos? Do let us know down below. But in return, don't forget that we're also doing random gift card giveaways from the comments. So your comment might earn you a free gift card or 2 or 3. You never know. So do leave us a comment. Make sure that you like this video. We would really appreciate your thumbs up. And of course, that you share it in your crafty groups and with your friends. Um, all of the items that you've seen featured here are available from our online stores. So we definitely hope you'll check out our online stores. We have spectrumartcreations.com and our Etsy store, Spectrum Art Creations. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, okay? And that you ring that bell, because you can be notified every time that we upload new videos, new content, also notified of when we go live. Why do you want to do that? Well, because again, we have all kinds of things happening in this channel. One of them being our live sales. If you have not joined us for our live sales right here on this channel, you're missing out on a lot of fun. You can come to the live sales, join us live. You can see the product live. You can purchase the product live. You can chat live and make new friends. And then also join in more games and giveaways. Yes, we love giveaways in this channel. Speaking of giveaways, Facebook group. Make sure you join us on Facebook. It is Spectrum Art Creations Friends. Don't forget the friends at the end. And don't forget to answer the questions. Now, in that group, you can post what you're making or questions, or see what other people have on their crafting table. It's just fun to share with friends. But you can also be in the know of different things and join in the challenges. We have monthly challenges and we do giveaways, gift cards as well from those challenges. It is free to participate. So we certainly hope that you will check out the Facebook group. As another reminder, if you join this channel, you're going to be able to partake in all of these things that you see here. Yes, we do the live YouTube sales. We do tutorials, classes, kits. You can buy kits for those classes. You can do craft alongs. We let you know when new product comes in and hits the market. Again, games and giveaways and live crafts. And you can chat, live with us. So it's fun to become part of the community. So again, make sure you subscribe. We certainly hope that you will. Okay, now finally, I'm going to leave some additional videos here at the end so we can continue crafting along. And don't forget the links in the description box as well. All right, so click on one of these and I will see you there.